What's going on, y'all? I hope y'all doing good today. We're back with another one. So I told y'all a while ago I was actually thinking about doing something to the front, so this video actually gonna be it. So pretty much what I want to do is a little copycat style from the new Altima, but I want to shape it off myself. So it's gonna start at the top right there, go all the way down right here, come down like that, and a little bit on the bottom of the bumper to complete it all. And I'm also going to tint the turn signal light. So I'm gonna tape all that off. See, it's getting dark, but who cares? I'm gonna get this done. It's been on my mind, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. This beginning of phase 2, so we're gonna get it started with little cosmetic modifications and gonna continue from there. So let's get it done. Gonna do both sides. I'm praying it's gonna look good, but here's a picture of it, as you can see. I did that design through markup on the actual on my iPhone. So yeah, it's the best thing. But yeah. So let's go ahead and get it done and go from there. All right, so pretty much the paint that I'm gonna be using for the VHT is gonna be for the turn signal. Cover that with a little bit of clear coat. I'm gonna do a little something different and see how I like it. I'm gonna use plastic dip on the front and see how that turns out. And if it flows with the gloss black and matte black look I'm going for, then I'm gonna keep it. If not, then I'll do the rest with some wrap or either actually paint it myself. So I use this little tape. I got the paper in the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and tape everything off. Put y'all on time lapse, and we're gonna go from there. So pretty much this is what I'm doing. As you can see, I got it going across. You go around, you see that. So I wanted to keep this flush portion of it all the way around. Come up right here. I wanted that angle of the body line to actually show on this one. So praying that I got my corners measured out right. This is the first out. I'm gonna put a little bit more paper right here to cover up the actual paint. And this is why I'm using actually plastic dip. So just in case if I don't like it down the road, I can always take it off. But so we got both sides done. You can look, see. Now it's just a matter of fact putting the rest of the tape on. What I'm deciding to do, if I want to do the nightshade tint first, I might do it after. That way I can always cover up the nightshade spray from the with the actual plastic dip. So I'm gonna zoom out real quick for you. That way you can kind of see it. Give you a little up high look. Gotta trust the process, so we're gonna continue from here. As you can see, I put a total of 7 coats of plastic dip onto this area. That actually laid down pretty well. So you want to start out spraying out light coats, and then you want to get heavier with each coat. Just slightly go across, but a little bit heavier. I did that. It came out smooth. Everything looking good so far. I did run into a lot of issues. Here's one of the issues with the VHT nightshade tint. Even after sanding and cleaning the area, it would not stick. I did do the driver's side, but I sanded the driver's side, but it still didn't stick out the cleaning. What I should have did is also sanded the passenger side too, but I ended up just spraying everything down with plastic dip. So I might end up going back over this. So who knows? You never know. I think the turn signal lights did come out even. They're looking bright. I did put like the little 4 dots on there to at least let some more light through. But overall, it was good. And the temp had dropped to 50 degrees, below 50 degrees. It was getting cold. So that might have been a factor, the temperature and everything. So who knows? You never know. But everything still was looking good, coming out good. Like I said, I ran into a few issues, but that's what comes with doing these projects. It's gonna be a hit or miss. You just gotta trust the process in the end. I did put clear coat on it, and surprisingly, it reacted well with the plastic dip. The last thing I had a little issue with, trimming up the edges, getting it all the tape off. But hey, y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna show you what it looked like in the next portion of this video. Let me know what you think in the comments.